Bio 5.1, we're talking about biodiversity for Section 1. It maintains a healthy biosphere and provides direct and indirect value to humans. What are the three types of biodiversity? Why is it important? And what are the direct and indirect values of biodiversity? First of all, let's talk about what it is. It's the variety of life in an area that is determined by the number of different species for that area. Biodiversity increases the stability of an ecosystem and contributes to the health of a biosphere. Extinction occurs when the last member of a species dies. Genetic diversity is the variety of genes or inheritable characteristics that are present in a population. Genetic diversity increases the chances that some species will survive during changing environmental conditions or during the outbreak of the disease. And everything in this chapter, in this book, in this entire year builds on each other. We're going to be coming back to this a lot when we get into the entire unit of genetics. So you can't just learn it and forget it. You need to keep a hold of it. The number of different species and the relative abundance of each species in a biological community is called species diversity. The variety of ecosystems that are present in the biosphere is called ecosystem diversity. An ecosystem is made up of interacting populations and the non-living factors that support them. Humans depend on plants and animals for food, clothing, energy, and medicine. Most of the world's food crops come from just a few species. Wild species serve as reservoirs of desirable genetic traits that might be needed to improve commercial crop species. Scientists continue to find new extracts from plants and other organisms that help in the treatment of human diseases. Indirect economic value. A healthy biosphere provides many services to humans. For example, green plants provide oxygen and remove our waste, being CO2, carbon dioxide. Natural processes provide drinking water that is safe for our use. And it is often difficult to assign an economic value to biosphere services. There is value in maintaining healthy ecosystems that are beautiful or interesting to study, but it is difficult to assign economic value to these services because, quite honestly, it's not something that we value as a culture.